guys, today I'm going to be making a really cute makeup brush holder. So let's do this. So first I'm just taking brush packaging, and the packaging mine came in had like this foam block at the bottom, and so I'm taking it out. And as you can see, the block has little holes for each of the brushes, so it's perfect to use as a makeup brush holder. So all I'm really doing this is just like wrapping it in decorative tape. So I'm just taking some reflective decorative tape that matches the brushes I have, and then I'm simply wrapping it around the block. So after I've done this, I'm basically done, and so sorry this wasn't really like much of a DIY, but I mean it's still really cute and a great way to display brushes. And as you can see, there's space in the back, and so you could totally just like make your own holes so you'd be able to hold more brushes on it, but that's really up to you. Next, I'm just putting the brushes in. So now that the brushes are in, it's a really cute little display. And this does take up more room than just like putting them in a jar or in like a makeup bag or anything. But since these are like more colorful brushes, it's cute to have like as a makeup brush centerpiece, you know? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!